Hi, this dance is called Oh Yet. It's written O space Jete. Okay, Oh Yet, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on January 2024. There are 32 count, 4 walls, high beginner level line dance. There is one take with 4 count after wall 9. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with this section 1. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, start with the right foot. Walk forward, right, left, right, and then left foot hitch. Continue. Step left foot back, diagonally, close touch right foot, and then step right foot back, diagonally, close touch left foot. Section 2, do rolling vine. Quarter to left, step forward, half turn to left, step right foot back, quarter turn to left, step left foot to side, and then close touch right foot. Continue with step right foot to side, close touch, and then quarter turn to left, step left foot to side, close touch right foot. Next to left foot. Section 3, heel out and in. Right foot, heel out and in, and then step in place, and then switch to left foot, heel out, heel in, and step, and then switch, heel touch forward, heel and. Continue with step forward, together, step right foot back, together. And then section 4, do twice quarter pivot turn to left. Quarter, and then do jazz box in place. Cross, back, side, forward. Okay, let me do it with count. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is one take with 4 count after wall 9, which is only like single step. Step side, close touch, step side, close touch. Or with count 1, 2, 3, 4. Or from back 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial for my new choreo. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the choreo and enjoy the music. And I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.